Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and maybe replace the left drive axle on Opel Corsa C. We start by removing the metal cover that covers the nut for the drive axle. Next we remove the nut that holds the drive axle, and then we remove the 3 bolts that hold the ball joint to the control arm. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we'll release the control arm from the ball joint and take out the CV joint from the wheel hub. Next we need to remove the drive axle from the gearbox. There is not much space here to pry it out with a pry bar, so you need to hammer it out a little bit until there is enough space to put in a pry bar. Once we made enough space with hammering it out, now we can use a pry bar to pry it out the rest of the way and take out the drive shaft. Thank you for watching.